Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite modern sporting rifles. Now, this one obviously pulls a lot of inspiration from the OG Colt XM177 rifle. So, yeah, this is essentially a copycat of that Colt XM177. Now, because it's a copycat, it of course uses the 5.56 NATO bullet, and it uses those through the metal clip here that you insert into the bottom of the rifle. Another distinguishing feature of this that it picks up from that Colt is the way the barrel gets larger with the holes in it here in the end. Now, I'm told that this particular piece is separated from the barrel, but then it has to be welded into place, and I guess that's because of the power of that 5.56 round. They don't want that powerful round running through the barrel, of course, and making this end, I guess, get loose. And then if we look at the opposite end of the rifle, the back end of the rifle here, this piece here, this is the piece that goes up and on your shoulder, and it is a little smaller profile than what you see on a lot of other modern sporting rifles. We're gonna have to cut. I can't, because I have no clue what I was talking about. I've got no clue. It's ridiculous. No, I mean, I get it, but look, I mean, what is this, cosplay hour? I mean, seriously, I got black glasses. I can't see anything through these glasses, let alone the camera or anything else. The backwards cap, really? The blacked out backwards cap, backwards, like I'm 12 years old or something? I mean, really? And this thing, I don't understand this. I don't get it. I know that it's heavy. I know that I can't breathe. And I don't know that I can even take the freaking thing off, right? So, I'm out. I'm done.